Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. So today we are here for grade 9 maths. The chapter today we discuss that is polynomial. And here are the list of the lessons today we covered, that is multiply two polynomials using the algebra tiles, add and subtract the polynomials, add and subtract the polynomials using the algebra tiles, multiply polynomial via monomials. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudent.com. You have to log in by using your email and the passwords that are provided by the administrator. Go to the subject tab, select maths from there, scroll down, and here are the list of the chapters. So we are on the last chapter, that is the polynomials. Continue this. And the lesson today we covered, that is multiply two polynomials using the algebra tiles. Okay. So which multiplication expression does this area model represent? So here we're going to multiply and then we check it out. First of all, check how many the x square terms are here, how many the x terms are here, and how many basically the one are there. Okay. So when we see this is a basically, look at here in the first one, look at here the base firstly. The base is made up of, this base is made up of 3x, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, 3x tiles and 2 1 tiles. So this becomes 3x plus 2. The first expression 3x plus 2. When we see the height of this, so the height is basically 1 and 2, 2x, and how many 3 are there? 1, 2 and 3. There are 1 3s are here. So this is the way, 3x plus 2 and 2x plus 3. Okay. For example, if I'm going to write it here, I'm going to draw here the area model. One of the model I'm going to drawing it here. Okay. For example, I'm going to put it here. These are the x square terms. These are the x terms. And here we put it the 1. Okay, just colored it with their proper, like this is the x square. We can see this white is 1. So first of all we're gonna check it out, the basically base of this. In the base, how many x? This is the base here. Okay, this is the base. So how many x? 1, 2 and 3. This is 3x, and how many 1? There is 2 1. There is 3x and then 2 1. So here is 3x plus 2. Got it? But when we see the height of this, now let's suppose the height of this. This is the height. So in the height, check it out. How many x? There are 2x, and how many 1? 2 1. So this become 2x plus 1. So there is 2x plus 1, 3x plus 2. Let's multiply 3x plus 2 and then 2x plus 2. Okay, these are the two things. Now multiply first of all 3x with the inside of it, then 2 with the inside of it. Okay, first term with both of it, second term with both of it. Now after multiplication, what's the answer? 6x square plus 6x plus 4x plus 4. Now 6x square, 6 plus 4 is 10x plus 4. Now check it out. Is there an 6x square? Yes. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Understand? How many x? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And how many 4 are there? It's 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 ones are there. Understand? This is the way that we are getting. First of all, we check the base, we check the height, and then we multiply both the numbers. And then we multiply both the numbers, okay? So this is the way that we get it, okay? Let's suppose I'm going to take some another thing. For example, here, just taking it. All right. So here is the thing that we have done. So just putting it out, x square, 1 and 1, x. Okay. This is the way that we are going to see. This is the way that we are going to check it now. So now first of all, how many x squares are there? 1 and 2. Got it? How many the ones? These are the 4 here. And how many the x are there? This and this. Alright. So let's suppose, first of all, check it out. How much the base of this? Let's suppose first we checking the base. There is 1x and there is 1. So this become x plus 1. Okay. Now for moving this, how many the ones are there? 4, 1. So this is only 4. Multiplying x plus 1 with the 4. X, sorry about that. This is not happened here. Just putting down the x terms here, okay? This is 2x and there is 2 ones. So this become 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 into x plus 1. Okay. So 2x plus 1 into x plus 1. So let's suppose multiply 2 with the x plus 2x with the x plus 1 and multiply 1 with the x plus 1. Okay. So 2x plus x is 2x square plus 2x times 1 is 2x, x times 1 is x, 1 times 1 is 1. So 2x square plus 3x plus 1. And this is the way that we're going to check. Let's suppose I'm going to write it here. Okay. Now let's do the test questions. So check it out here. Which multiplication expression does this area model represent? First of all, check the base. It's x and 1. So that is x plus 1. Now check the height. There are 2x and 3 ones. So 2x plus 3. Okay, x plus 1 and 2x plus 3. Let's go with it. And this is the right answer. Okay. Which multiplication expression does this area model represent? That represent x plus 1, okay, in the base 1x plus 1, and that is x plus 3. X plus 1 and x plus 3. This represent the second thing. Alright, hope you guys understand this lesson. So let's start the next lesson. You solve the rest of these test questions by yourself. Okay. Add and subtract the polynomials. So here are the polynomials. Then you are going to add and subtract of that. Let's solve it. For example, this represents 8u plus 9 add up with 7u minus 3. And then they are saying that these polynomials should be added or subtracted. Now here it's addition, middle of it. So first of all, you open this. So this becomes 8u plus 9 plus 7u minus 3. Combine the u terms together, 8u plus 7u, and the single terms together, plus 9 minus 3. 8u plus 7u is 15u, and 9 minus 3 is plus 6. Okay, this is the way that you are going to solve. Let's suppose start from the next. For example, I'm going to write here a question 7 into 3u plus 6 plus 4 into 7u minus 4. What does it mean? It means that 7 is multiplied inside of it. Firstly, okay, 7 times 3 is 21, and then u as it is, plus 7 times 6 is 42. Okay, 7 times 3, first of all we multiply with this one, and then we are going to multiply with this one. Now plus as it is, 4 times 7 is 28u, and plus minus 4 times 4 is 16. Now combine the u terms, 21u plus 28u plus 42 minus 16. Now 21u plus 28u is 49u plus 42 minus 16. What's the answer? That's 26. And this is the answer, we get it. Alright, okay, let's suppose, for example, if I'm going to write here a question that is so here I'm going to write a question. For example, the question is let's take some question from the website. Yeah, some square terms are involved now. For example, here is 3 into 7 plus v plus 2 into 2 into 3v plus v square minus 9. Okay, this is the question that we are going to check. First of all, multiply 3 inside of it. First of all with 7 and then with v. 7 times 3 is 21 plus 3v plus 2 times 3 is 6v plus 2 with the v square, 2v square minus 2 times 9 is 18. Now solve these two. 6 plus 3 is 9v plus 2v square as it is minus 18 plus 21. First of all, we write the square term, then we write the single term. 18 minus 18 plus 21 is 3 plus 3. This is the answer that we get it now. Okay, let's do the next. For example, if I'm going to take the simple things like square terms are involved now. Three x square minus 2x plus 12 plus 4 into x square plus 3 plus 5. Okay. So now multiply. Write 3x square minus 2x plus 12 as it is. Then plus multiply 4 with first this one, with this one, and then with this one. This become 4x square plus 12x plus 20. Combine the square terms. 3x square plus 4x square minus 2x plus 12x plus 12 and plus 20. Okay, combining this 3x square with 4x square, combining with this 2x square with 12x, and combining with this 12 with the 20, and the sign also put it down here. Now 3x square plus 4x square is 7x square, and minus 2 plus 12 is, this become plus 10x, and plus 20 plus 12 is 32. This is the answer that we get it. Now let's suppose if you are going to, now let's do the test questions. Six m square plus 7m plus 6m square plus 1. 6m square plus 7m, open it, plus 6m square plus 1. Combine the 6m squares. 6m square plus 6m square. Okay, 7m as it is plus 1 as it is. Now 6 plus 6 is 12m square plus 7m plus 1. So here it's 12m square plus 7m plus 1. Now 6t square plus t plus 8. 6t square plus t plus 8 minus 4t square plus 7 minus 4t square plus 7. Okay, let's do this one. 6t square plus t plus 8 as it is. Here is minus sign, minus 4t square. Now there is 1 minus 1 plus, that becomes minus. So there is minus 7. Combine the square terms. 6t square minus 4t square. Combining the t terms plus t, combining the single terms. 6t square minus 4t square, that is 2t square plus t plus 1, and that is your answer. 2t square plus t plus 1. So here is b plus 5 plus 7b square plus 8b. Okay, now b plus 5 as it is. Open this. 7b square plus 8b. Putting 7b square from the start, then 8b with the b, and then the constant term. So 7b square plus 8 plus 1 is 9b plus 5. So this become this option. So now hope you guys understand. So now hope you guys understand this lesson. Solve the rest of the test questions by yourself. Okay. So let's start the next lesson. So add and subtract the polynomials using the algebra tiles. Okay. So look at here. These are the algebra tiles. So you are going to add and subtract by using this way. Okay. Look at here these x square terms. Here are two x squares and here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So first of all we combine these 7 and 8, 9, 9x square. Got it? Now how many x? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6x in both of it. So just putting it out plus 6x. And how many single? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. It's 11. Okay, 9x square plus 6x plus 11. For example, let's suppose take some questions. I'm going to draw here and let's solve it. Okay. For example, here is the okay. This is the thing that first of all just putting x square. This is x square, x square. x square, x square, x square, x square, and x square. Okay. Now putting for the x terms, x, x, and x. Alright, now putting the 1. Check it out how many, and they are saying that just adding up. How many x square in both of it? First we're gonna see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Putting here 7x square. How many x are there? It's 1, 2, and 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 8x. How many 1 are there? It's 1, 2, and 3 plus 3. This is the answer of these. By using the algebra tiles, we are going to write the answer by using this way. Okay. Now look at here, for example. They are saying that using this by algebra tiles. So in the first one, they are saying that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6x square plus 10x. So here the x terms are 10 in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You count it, and the 1 is 3. Now subtraction 6x square plus 1. Okay, this is the way in the second one. So what's the answer for this? When you're getting the answer, you are going to write it by using this way. For example, 6x square subtract out. So this is 0. So x square terms are removed. Only the x terms which is left, and only the two ones are left. So here is x terms are left, and only the two ones are left. Okay, this is the answer. For example, let's solve by using this one question. Okay, now look at here. First of all, I'm going to writing the x square terms. Okay, these three. So now here is x square, and x square. Now for this, that is x, and for the white one is 1. What is the answer? 3x square plus 4x plus 2. Okay, this is the answer of this. Add up with or subtraction with. Let's suppose the subtraction. This one. So here it's x square, x square, x square, and x square. Okay, Then for the next is this is all 1. Okay, and now for the end, this is all x. So this become 4x square plus 4x plus 4. Subtraction out. So look at here. When you are going to subtract, like the bigger to smaller, okay, we are going to subtract the bigger number to the smaller number, like this number to that. So this become 4x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 2. After subtraction of these two, what is the answer? First of all, open the bracket. 4x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 3x square minus 4x minus 2. 4x and 4x cancel. 4x square minus 3x square, only one x square is left and only 2 is left. What does it mean? It means that these are all removed. Okay, these 4x removed, these 4x removed, these 3x square removed, these 3x square removed, these 2 removed, and then these 2 removed, which is left only 1x square, and there is 2 1. Like this block is left only. When you are going to write it, x square 1 and 1, this is your answer. In the algebraically tiles form, this one, okay, this is the algebraically tiles form. Okay, and this is for the basically like by using this form. So here is the question that we are going to solve it, and then we get the answer this one. Okay, hope you guys understand this lesson as well. So we subtract, add and subtract polynomial using the algebra tiles. Now multiply a polynomials by a monomials. Okay, let's do with it. Multiply a polynomials by a monomials. So here find the product, simplify your answer. Okay, it's just a multiplication now. For example, here if you are going to write it like for example x square and then multiply with x square plus 2x plus 5. Okay, how can we multiply? First multiplication is this one, then for this one, and then in the end for this one. This become x power 4, then 2x with the power, there is 2 and there is 1, that is cube, plus 5x square. Okay, in the multiplication power should be added. So when you're going to multiply the numbers, their power should be added by using this way. You're going to add up the powers. Here is 2 and 2, so it should be added. 2 plus 2 is 4. Here is 2 and here is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Here it's nothing, so you are going to write it like as it is. So now let's do the next. Okay, now let's do the test questions for that. Minus 4 into h square minus 2h. Minus 4h square. Minus minus become plus. 4 times 2 is 8 and h. Okay, this is the way that you are going to multiply first of all with this one and then with this one. Here is the minus sign as it is. Then 4h square minus minus become plus 8h. Minus 4h square and minus minus becomes plus. Two into minus 4y square plus 7. Okay. 2 into minus 4y square plus 7. First of all, multiply with this one. 2 times 4 is 8, minus sign as it is, y square as it is. Okay. Plus, then 2 with the 7. 2 times 7 is 14. So the answer is 8y square with the minus sign plus 14. Now minus k square into 3k square plus 9 minus k square into 3k square plus 9. Is it plus 9? Minus k square with the 3 square. What's the answer? Minus 3 as it is. Here is k. This is 2 and this is 2. 2 plus 2. So minus 3k power 4. Okay, you're going to add the power. Here is the minus sign and here is the plus sign. So if there is one minus, there is one plus, what it becomes? Minus. So it's minus 9k square as it is. Okay. So minus 3k power 4 minus 9k square. 4g into minus 2g square. 4g into minus 2g square minus 8. Now multiply with this one and multiply with this one. 4 times 2 is 8g. This is 1 power and this is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3 and negative sign as it is. Then minus 8 times 4 is 32g. 8g cube minus 32g. Okay, this is the answer. 8g cube minus 8g cube and minus 32g. Now minus 5 into minus 4u square minus 5 into minus 4u square minus 4. Okay, now you guys think about it and then I'll just write the answer. What is the answer of this one? So minus minus become plus. 5 times 4 is 20. And that is u square as it is. Again minus minus become plus. 5 times 4 is 20. So you are writing it like this way, 20u square plus 20. What is the answer of this one? 2 times 3 is 6, minus sign as it is, 6z square, plus becomes minus, and 2 times 9 is 18. So with the minus sign, we move it, okay? Now, multiply 9 with inside of it and then just tell me the answer. Which one, option A or option B? This one, okay? So hope you guys understand this lesson. So today we discuss the grade 9 maths, the chapter name which is the polynomial, and here are the list of the lessons. That is, multiply two polynomials using the algebra tiles, add and subtract the polynomials, then add and subtract polynomials using the algebra tiles, multiply the polynomials via monomials. Hope you guys understand these lessons. So before starting the next session, you guys make sure to practice all these questions, all these lessons, okay? And if you still need any help in any of the question, then you can contact the tutors by using this live chat button that is available on your A plus website. Open this and then select your department, in which department you need help with, maths help, language help, or anything, and then just put your name and then just send. In this way you directly contact with the tutors. So for now, have a great day, you all. See you in the next session. Bye.